Yeah, exactly. Well, actually, because you don't like this kind of stuff, just because it's
This magnificent structure is St Mary-le-Bow Church. The church itself actually extends behind this building here, and this is the church that defines, apparently, whether or not you're a Cockney. These are the Bow bells that define whether or not you're a Cockney. Apparently, as the legend goes, if you were born within the sound of Bow bells, then you are a Cockney. But the church itself, let's go and have a quick look at it. The church was the work of Sir Christopher Wren, built after the Great Fire, as was much of the city. And have a look. It's our old friend, the Portland Limestone. Have a look here, you can see the ooids, and you see quite a few holes in this one as well. But you can still see the ooids. You can see a few casts, like that one, which probably would have had fossils. You can see the weathering on this course that sticks out here, where hundreds of years of rain have run down there and just eroded it away. And you can even see a little shell fragment there, Jurassic fossil preserved. And there are more along here. Where am I? Just here. And just here. You can see more fossils here. St Mary-le-Bow Church. Isn't it absolutely magnificent? I would go in, but I'm on a whistle-stop tour today, and also the fact that at the start of this video you heard the bells means that there's probably some kind of service on. So I wouldn't want to intrude on that with any kind of imagery or videography. So, there you go, folks. The magnificent Portland Limestone here, St Mary-le-Bow Church. I'm the Down to Earth Geologist. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.